Hello everybody, this is Yousef and this is my kitchen and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make a kebab, beef kebab koobideh without a grill. For some people, for whatever reason, they don't have it or they don't have the skewer or they live in an apartment, they request me, they love to have a kebab koobideh but other than grill. So we're gonna show you how to make it in the oven or in a stovetop, and the ingredients is exactly the same as kebab koobideh with the skewer. For those people they already saw my video, they can skip that and see the rest of them, but for the people that are new, I'm going to show the ingredients and how to make it, and let's do it. I do have 2 pounds of ground beef, which is about, I guess it's 22%, and I have 1 tablespoon of sumac, ground sumac, half a teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, and 2 medium onion, which I grounded already and took all the juice out of it. So we're gonna mix all these things together and do this about like at least 6 to 7 minutes to make sure all ingredients are mixed and combined. Okay, as you see, they stick very well together. You see the whole thing, you can take it and it's not getting apart. Now for doing this, I need a pan like this, or if you don't have it, you can use any other cooking sheet, or even you don't have it, you can make with the aluminum foil that I'm going to show you how to. And we just go ahead and just do it on a skewer, then I pull it off and put it in this pan. If you don't have this one, I have some wooden spoon that you can use that also to make your kebab, and take it off and put it in a pan too. Okay, I'm going to show you just like a cooking sheet with the aluminum foil. You take one of these and just go like, here's what I do. Simple, easy. And you can put on this one and take it to the oven. Now, if you don't have a skewer, which I needed for just making a kebab and put it on a pan, as I said, you can use the wooden spoon, or you can just foil the aluminum and make it hard enough to just go over. So let's do it and show you how to make that kebab koobideh in the oven or stovetop. Okay, just like making a kebab koobideh on the skewer, you just wet your hand a little bit, take some of this meat and go over the skewer. Here you go. This is our kebab koobideh, which goes over the grill. But as I said, you don't have a grill. You just, what you do here, take this out of the skewer and put it right here. This is the first one, and I'm going to show you a couple of those, and then we put it on a stovetop or in the oven. Now we are going to try on the wooden spoon to see if it works. But if it doesn't, anyway, it's not gonna fall off on the fire, because it doesn't matter even if it fall off because it's not on a grill. So you don't have to worry about it. So if it gets okay, it's fine. If it's not, so we're not gonna use it. All right, let's see if we can take it off of this. Yeah, it's not that great, but it's okay. So it looks good. It's okay. It's gonna cook. Now we're gonna put that 450 degree on an oven, and we're gonna go put it in there. Or as I said, you just can take this one right and go over the stovetop and cook it there. But I like to put it in the oven. So let's do it in the oven. Okay, as I said, occasionally we should check on them. And right now, I think it's a good idea to put some of this tomato right here to cook it with your kebab. And because kebab is not complete without the grilled tomato. So a few more minutes, then we turn it around. I think it's the time to turn the kebab around, because one side it seems is cooked. And so let me wear my gloves, make sure 100% I'm not burning myself. All right, yeah, okay. I'm gonna turn them around for another maybe 5 minutes or so. I think it's gonna be done. Okay, we come back again when it's finished. So here is our kebab koobideh without the grill in the oven, so you can enjoy kebab koobideh anytime, anywhere. Okay, so you can have it with the lavash, or you can have it with the rice. And I have some sabzi kordan, which is a herb, as basil, tarragon, radish, green onion. So enjoy it, and thank you very much for watching. I appreciate that, and see you next time. Thank you again. Bye.